In the case where you go to trial for a final restraining order, there is an opportunity to still resolve it. You can do what's called a civil restraint. This requires some finesse. It requires an attorney well, in most cases, you need an attorney that can handle the case professionally, be ready to try the case if necessary, and leverage that. Leverage the possibility of trying the case with success in order to potentially secure a civil restraint, which is simply a negotiation. Both parties will negotiate and say, okay, I want this, I want that, and it gets entered as an order from the judge. A civil restraint is just as important as any other order. It's just as important as the final restraining order, and it must be obeyed. In the case where the matter goes forward to trial, the alleged victim must prove two things. One, that there was an act of domestic violence, whether it was an assault, battery, a threat, harassment, kidnapping, etc. Must prove any of the several incidents that are listed in the Domestic Violence Act in New Jersey. One. Two, you must also show the judge that there is a concern of it continuing into the future. Where you're able to meet both of those concerns, the judge will grant the final restraining order. If you are facing such a situation, it is very important to contact an attorney that can help you. Here at Omojola Law, we've handled these matters in the past with success, whether resulting in a civil restraining order, which does not go into your permanent record. No one can pull it up, or whether going to trial and beating the case, so that our client does not end up having a restraining order, in their name within the system. I am Ade Omojola from Omojola Law, and I am looking forward to solving your legal problem.